Good day everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be talking about the Currency.net library for React, the React package for the Currency.net library. And as we all know, Currency.net or Currencynet is like a library used to manage currency across your web application across different countries, in the sense that if you're building an application in US dollars, it's more easier to convert for someone living in Italy or China, because you're going to easily convert the currency from US dollar to the desired currency in the country, and especially in your client's country, and this will aid better user experience for your clients / users. So to begin, we'll be visiting the Currency.net GitHub repo. This is a GitHub repo. I'll put the link in the description below. So first of all, we have to install the package, but since we're using playground.io, you don't have to install it, you just have to import it. Once imported, you can see it requests for us to install it, and it seems there's an error here because the latest version is meant to be 2.4.5, so I'm going to refresh it again. So I put it back and it's currently, so I'm going to install it. I've installed it. So what next? You see now we have to add the Currency.net JS element. So you can add it. Don't worry, I'll explain all the props. So come back here, and as you can see, output already printed a format for us, because I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'll be using Nigerian Naira. So let me explain the props. This first props the build currency. This is like the currency in which your application is built on. For instance, if you're someone in the United States, your build currency for sure will be the US dollar, so you're going to put it USD. As you can see in the docs, you can see this can be replaced by any of the IS 4217 code. Click here, it's going to get us the list of the codes. So this is the IS 0421 code. So these are the list of active codes. You can see for the US dollar down right here, it's gonna be USD somewhere right here. You can see it now, and the countries that uses the US dollar. So let me just copy this for some reference later on. Go back, open this new tab, and now the next prop, as we can see here, is the value. This is the value that is meant to be in the element, in the output in the, and this value will be in the currency, your build currency. For instance, now what this means is going to convert 10 US dollar to your client's currency wherever he is or he or she is. Like I said, I'm currently in Nigeria, so mine is converted to 4K Naira, because 10 US dollar is approximately 4K Naira. That's it. So the next property is float props, and this float props will tell the application if it's to output it as float, so that it won't round up the value, or it should round up the value. Let's display its float. So this is float. If I change it to true, you see the output. So you can see now it's outputted as 4.31k Naira. And if we go to convert 10 USD as you can see, it's approximately that value right there. Now to the next props. This next props is a prop that tells us if we should shorten the output or we should make the output the way it is. Like now, if I make this false, you can see now it's being printed out fully without the key or anything. So if I keep in, for instance, I add more zeros, and you can see it keeps increasing drastically. So this, which can be sometimes overpopulated in your code, in your HTML, and be difficult, and it can cause a bad user experience. So you can make it true in that scenario. So you can say true, and now you can see it's converted to 4.31 million naira. That is all. And you can try a couple of more currencies. Let's see, let's go back and look for, let's use the currency is more familiar, and you can see the European pounds right here. You can copy this and paste it right here. And you can see it's converted to the desired amount. I can change the value, or then find another currency with more different exchange rates. Let's go for the rupee, Indian rupee. Right here, an arrow. Copy that and paste that right here. And as you can see, it's being converted to the desired 50.00k. And that will be all for now. Thank you. See you next time.